Hi everyone, I'm out here with the Insta360 RS, a modular camera that offers a lot of really exciting possibilities. And right now I'm shooting with the 360 camera module. It's got this and two other modules, and it's really interesting how this camera works. And I'm using the invisible selfie stick, and we'll see if that looks convincing or not. Anyway, this should be a really fun video checking out what this camera is capable of. So now I'm out here walking in the forest with the 4K boost lens module on the Insta360. And this is closer to a more standard fixed focal length action camera lens, which is really nice to be able to switch between the 360 camera and the more traditional camera. This one's kind of cool because it has Insta360's flow state image stabilization built in, where before you had to apply it in post-processing in Insta360's software. And here it's just built in, so it really simplifies the editing process. And so far I've been pretty impressed with how effective it is. In fact, as impressed as I've been with DJI's recent electronic image stabilization, and with GoPro's frankly incredible image stabilization, the Insta360 flow state stabilization is, I think, better than either of those. So that's really a mark in this camera's favor. And it only comes off the trade-off that this camera doesn't go above 60 frames per second at 4K, or the other ones shoot at higher resolution and do more with slow-mo video. However, it's actually worth the trade-off to me, I think, to have better image stabilization. That's really important, and it's pretty impressive here on the Insta360 One RS.
So I just thought I'd round this video off by showing you this footage I captured using a 360 module on the One RS, and which I edited using the Insta360 app on my iPad mini. And it was just such an intuitive, excellent experience editing this footage on the app, and being able to shift between these different scenes here and make it really look nice and fluid, and do it without any real hassle. It was very easy to get used to the controls and create something that I think is really compelling and interesting very quickly. You can really get some very trippy effects with this camera setup, and I just love it. Overall, this is a really fun camera system. It is extremely versatile due to its modular nature, and it's really offers quite good value for money. in all of its various bundles. I feel like I can easily recommend it, and you can read more about my thoughts on this camera in my full review at Digital Trends, and you can watch more footage here on my channel. I'll have a full 360 video of this hike, full 8-minute long video, just of this this wonderful trail through the rainforest, and also a comparison video between the three big action cameras right now: the DJI Action 2, GoPro Hero 10, and of course the Insta360 One RS. They're all fantastic cameras for different reasons, and yeah, I've got to say, the Insta360 One RS, despite some flaws here and there, is one of the most fun cameras I've ever used. It is really quite something. It's definitely a special camera that I do recommend you check out and definitely consider if you're considering picking up an action camera right now. It's a great way to get into shooting 360 video if that's something you're interested in, because you don't have to invest in a dedicated 360 camera. You can get this as an action camera with the option of shooting 360 video, which I think is a great way of doing it. And yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.